We've just launched a new addition to the Knowi platform. It's called DBWrite, and it's something we've been working on for some time. It allows you to write data sets you've created in Knowi into your own data warehouse, like Redshift. So if you're familiar with Knowi, you know that we can connect into any number of data sources, query what you want, transform them, combine them, etc. The results of that is what we call a data set. These data sets can either be set to query directly against your sources real time, or these data sets can be stored into Knowi. Now, the third option is to use DBWrite to write it into your own store so that you have full control over that data set for whatever you need to do with it. So why are we doing this? Because the modern data stack that's been peddled around has gotten out of control. The industry tells you to do is to take the raw data from your source, move it to your data warehouse, which is going to quickly become a data outhouse because of all the crap in there. And then you have to use the transformation tool like dbt to transform it and put it back into that warehouse for it to be consumable. On top of that, you have data catalogs, you have governance tools, you have BI tools, too many processes, too many people in between. And it's just a giant mess. The business wants their questions answered, that ultimately the stack slows everything down, not to mention the expense factor. Right. With Knowi, there's no needless movement of data. And where you need your data set stored, you have that option now. On top of that, you have your dashboards and visualizations, search-based analytics, alerts, and security, machine learning, and blah, 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 seamlessly built in as well. So from a business standpoint, you get your answers from your data quickly and cost effectively, no matter where the data is. So now let's take a look at how it works. Set up your destination first, Redshift in this case. Check off the writable checkbox. Now let's query against a couple of data sources like MongoDB and MySQL. I'm going to join them up together, and I'm going to specify some queries against each, join them up. The end result is what I would like to store into Redshift. Let's preview this. Looks good. You'll see the writable source as an option in the data strategy section. So let's select that, give it a name, save it. Now, if you go into the Redshift data source I set up earlier, you should see that as a new table. Here you go. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it.